Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I think you are well. Dear student, I, Muhammad Jahidul Rahman, Assistant Teacher, Kahalo Govt Model High School, Kahalo Bogra. Dear student, welcome to my online class. Today, I am going to share with you on conditional sentence. Dear student, I think you know what is conditional sentence, how kinds of conditional sentence. So, I am going to discuss on first condition. Dear student, here mention some sentence. First sentence, if you read more. And second one, if they play well. And third one, if you go to school regularly. And last second one, if Eliza works hard. And last one, if you waste your time. Dear student, I think you can identify the mentioned sentence which condition. This is all sentence here mentioned on first condition, because you know hereafter if mention present indefinite, because after subject we can see verb 1. You also know that after subject when will be verb 1, that sentence will be present indefinite tense. Okay, so also here next one, if plus subject plus verb 1. Also next one, if plus subject plus verb 1. Also next one, if plus subject plus verb 1. And also last one, if plus subject plus verb 1. So, dear student, all the mentioned sentence are first condition, because here the sentence with making if plus subject plus verb 1, that means if plus present indefinite. When the sentence will be if plus present indefinite tense, that sentence will be first condition. Now, dear student, in this time we have to know how to complete the first conditional sentence. Dear student, if the sentence first condition, to complete that sentence, the structure will be in this way. Okay, write down the structure on your khata. Dear student, to complete a first conditional sentence, you have to use the mentioned structure. Suppose if plus present indefinite, that if plus present indefinite, next part will be future indefinite. Future indefinite, that means subject plus will plus verb 1. You know the structure of present indefinite, that is subject plus will plus verb 1 plus extension. Dear student, here you know here all the sentence first condition, because here mentioned if plus present indefinite. Then you have to complete this sentence, you have to use future indefinite tense. Suppose if you read more, so you have to use subject you will make a good result. That is future indefinite tense, because here mentioned subject will plus verb 1. So this one future indefinite tense, and mention part if plus present indefinite tense. In this way we can, next one, if they play well, here subject will be they, modal verb will and verb 1. If they play well, they will win the game. Okay, in this way, next one, if you go to school regularly, you will shine in life. Okay, now next one, if Eliza works hard, he will shine in life. Okay, now last one, if you waste your time, you will not shine in life. Okay, so dear student, I hope you have understood this item. Now again I mention the rules. Dear student, here mention if plus present indefinite tense. If the sentence if plus present indefinite tense, that sentence will be past condition, and when the sentence past condition, you have to complete by using future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense, structure of future indefinite tense, subject plus will plus verb 1. Here mention subject plus will plus verb 1 and next part. Okay, in this way you have to try at your home. Okay, now I mention some sentence for your homework. Okay, dear student, write down the sentence on your khata. Dear student, here mention some sentence and write down the mentioned sentence and try to at your home to complete the sentences. Okay, now dear student, I am going to next rule. Okay, dear student, here mention some sentence. Here you can see all the sentence with making if plus subject plus verb 2. That means if plus past indefinite, because you know after subject when the verb will be verb 2, that sentence will be past indefinite tense. So dear student, here all the sentence with making if plus past indefinite. If the sentence with making if plus past indefinite, that sentence will be second condition, and when the sentence will be second condition, to complete that mentioned sentence you have to use mention structure. Now I write down the structure, so you write down the structure on your khata. Okay, dear student. Okay, dear student, here mention the structure for completing the second conditional sentence. If plus past indefinite, that is second conditional rules. If plus past indefinite, and next part will be subject plus would or could plus verb 1. Okay, dear student? Yes, all the mentioned sentence are second conditional, so you have to use to complete the mentioned structure. Suppose here you have to use if you help me. You have to use subject I would do the work. Okay, if you help me, I would do the work. In this way, second one, if I were a king, if I were a king, here also if plus past indefinite, so you have to use to complete the mentioned structure. I would help the poor. In this way, next one, if they worked hard, it is also second conditional sentence, because here also mentioned if plus past indefinite. This is verb 2, so past second conditional. If they worked hard, you also use the mentioned structure. They would shine in life. Now, last one, the same rules. If I had much money, if I had much money, so mentioned structure will be I would help the poor. Dear student, I think you have also understood the mentioned rules. Now again, I mention the rules. Dear student, here after if, dear student, I think you have also understood the mentioned rules. Dear student, I again mention the rules. Dear student, here you can see after if past indefinite, because here after subject you can see verb 2. When a sentence with making subject plus verb 2, that sentence will be past indefinite. So this one second conditional sentence. For second conditional sentence, to complete you have to use this mentioned structure, that is subject plus would or could plus verb 1. Verb 1. So dear student, in this way you have to complete this sentence. Okay. Now dear student, I mention some sentences for your homework. I hope you will try at your home. Okay dear student, now write down the sentence. Now dear student, here mention this sentence on second conditional. Now write down the mentioned sentence on your khata and try to solve at your home. Dear student, I hope you have understood all the rules. Dear student, thanks all. Stay at your home and be safe.